coding standards. Again, MISRA is a big one. Everyone probably knows that. We use some other ways. One example is Parasoft, that we can customize our own and be a little more efficient. Again, as long as you're coding to some standard, that's very, very critical, so your whole team's on the same page with that. Well, now we get to the code, finally. So the code is, again, sometimes we start with code. Startups especially will come to us and say, I had this guy, he's brilliant, he brought this code to me and it can do this wonderful thing. And again, I say, what was it intended to do? What was it supposed to do? I don't know if the code written is good. I don't know if it's doing what it was supposed to do. And in our environment, good code doesn't mean it's testable code. Good code doesn't mean that it's safety critical. So if it's not written to the standards for safety critical, it's going to do you no good because you won't be able to compile it correctly and get it through the tests that you need to run on the unit level. And then, again, you're just stuck. And now you have to go back and where real cost comes in.